Hi, this is Angie, and let's now go over how the event bookings work inside Photo App. We've already set up everything, Stripe, your calendar, packages, so now it's time to put it to the test. Before anything else, we need to activate the booking system. Go to the menu, click on Photography System, and select Set up Photography System. Click Yes, then OK. And now your system is active. Let's simulate a booking. Go to your settings sheet and scroll to the booking configuration section. Click on the link. This opens your live booking form. Fill in all the fields like you're a real client. Make sure to use a different phone number and email, not your own WhatsApp number, so we can fully test the system end to end. When you're done, click Book Photography Session. Now go to the Event Bookings tab. You'll see that all the data from your booking form is automatically filled in. Client name, event type, date, WhatsApp number, email, everything. Now check the Photography Availability tab. You'll see that the system blocked out the selected time and also created break time before and after if you configured that earlier. It will leave open any times that don't conflict. Also notice the package interest column. This name matches exactly the name from your package templates. But let's say the client wanted something custom. No problem. Just copy that booking row and paste it at the bottom. Change the package name to something like Wedding Plus Extra Hour. Update the quote amount if needed. Then go to the Package Templates tab and add a new row using that exact name. You can adjust the contract details and price as needed. That's how custom packages work. Just match the name and the system will connect it when generating the contract. Now let's test the status column. If we change the status to cancel, the system will send a cancellation email to the client. It will also automatically make the date available again on your calendar. No need to do anything else. Now let's try Send Contract. Once you choose this status, the system will send out a contract that matches the selected package, including the terms and payment details. Now, let's test a demo payment. Click the link in the contract and enter your name. Use the test card number 42424242242. Use any future expiration date and 123 for the CVC. Click Submit. The system will recognize the payment, mark the booking as confirmed, and create a Google Calendar event. It also triggers a follow-up sequence 2-week reminder, 1-week reminder, 3-day reminder, thank you message after the event, an automatic final payment request based on the full payment days you set in your package. After the event has passed, you'll change the status to photos delivered. This sends the delivery confirmation to the client. Then, the next day, change the status to review request. The system will automatically send out a review request using your saved review links. And that's it. There are other statuses available, but honestly, the system handles almost everything for you automatically. That's how booking works in Photo App. In the next section, I'll show you how to create invoices and use the profit and loss tracker. Let's keep going. You're doing great.